In this video, we'll show how to set up the PCR step of your test. Start by setting up all the materials you'll need in the reagents area. You'll have reagents, consumables, and equipment. Wear a clean lab coat and gloves, and wipe the surfaces with fresh 5% bleach. You'll want to keep surfaces really clean to avoid contamination. Start by thawing your reagents. You'll need 3 tubes to start with: the DEB buffer, the PCR master mix, and the primers. Leave them on the bench for about 5 minutes until completely thawed. I'll be setting up reagents for 8 reactions. The number of tubes and volumes should be adjusted for the number of samples you will be testing. Put a PCR tube strip in the mini PCR rack. These are tubes that will go into the PCR machine. Set the H200 to 50 microliters, with a 0 in the hundreds, 5 in the tens, and 0 in the ones, and insert a filter tip. Press firmly and tap a few times against the box. Open the DEB buffer. Press the plunger to the first stop and insert the tip into the liquid. Gently release the plunger and move the tip into the PCR tube. Slowly push to the second stop and add 50 microliters of DEB buffer to the PCR tubes. Fill the remaining PCR tubes with 50 microliters of DEB buffer such that you'll have enough tubes for all of your samples, a positive and a negative control. Here I will test 5 samples and have 2 controls. Discard the tip and securely close the tubes. Label the tubes. For more details for learning how to pipette, you can click the link in the top right of this video or the link in the description below. Check that the volumes are as expected and set the tubes aside. Here you can see what a 50 microliter volume is expected to look like. We'll now prepare the complete mix. Take a new PCR strip and a new 1.5 milliliter tube. As a reminder, the following volumes are for 8 reactions. If you are testing a different number of total samples, see the table at the end of the video for other numbers. The complete mix will consist of primers and PCR mix. We'll start with the primers. Set the H200 to 160 microliters. Transfer 160 microliters of primers to the 1.5 milliliter tube. Discard the tip. Now, I'll add the PCR mix. Set the H200 to 44 microliters and use a new tip. Transfer 44 microliters of PCR mix to the 1.5 milliliter tube. Gently pipette up and down 6 times to mix well. Make sure to not generate bubbles. Discard the tip and close the PCR mix tube. Now, set the H200 pipette to 23 microliters. Add 23 microliters of complete mix to each PCR tube. As I will have 8 reactions in total, 1 negative control, 5 unknown samples, 1 positive control, and 1 gel PCR control, I will fill 8 tubes in total. Discard the tip, securely close the tubes, and label them. Check that the volumes are as expected. And here you can see what a 23 microliter volume is expected to look like. Bring the PCR mix and primers back to the freezer and move the strips to the sampling area. The DEB buffer can be kept at room temperature.